Hi and welcome to another cleaning video. This one is a clean and organise of my son's bedroom. He's 16, so I think this is pretty good for a teenager's bedroom, but I really need to organise it, sort through his clothes, give it a dust and a hoover and make the beds. So I'm starting with removing the bedding, getting that in the wash and on the line whilst I continue organising. So this was a big job, sorting out and folding and organising all the clothes that were in his unit. There's only really room for this small unit, so I wanted to get everything folded nicely and neatly so I could put as much away as possible. A lot of the clothes he didn't wear and were too small for him. As there is only limited space and storage in this room, I tried to use the KonMari folding method. It's not perfect, but it's just my way of folding things similar and getting the most out of the storage there is. Nearly all of these pyjamas were way too small, so I'm either going to send them to charity shop or pass them on to his younger brother. All my boys are responsible for keeping their rooms tidy, changing their beds, bringing their washing down, but this was something I really needed to do, organise, sort through all the clothes, and every couple of months I will come in and do that in their bedrooms. So I got a couple of these storage containers so they can put all their bits and pieces in, keep everything off the sides and keep everything more tidy and dust free. So we've only been in this house for about 2 months now, and I'm slowly working my way to getting things how I want them, getting furniture that the boys want in their rooms, getting their rooms decorated and getting a colour scheme going in each of the rooms. But for now they're just plain and a bit of a mishmash of furniture. So Ethan was one of the ones that missed out on his GCSEs this year. So all his school books, his schoolwork, I'm putting into a pile and taking out of his room so we've got a bit more space. But yeah, it was really sad going through all his schoolwork, knowing that he's not going to be going back or doing any exams. When we moved here, I agreed to get the elder boys double beds because they're growing and they're too big for single beds. And I'm so glad that I got one with drawers underneath because of the lack of space in this room. So there's lots more space to put more clothes. I don't know why they've got so much clothes, to be fair. So the double glazing has blown on this window and gets condensation inside, so that looks really dirty, but there's nothing I can do about it. We rent the property, so I just have to make do. So that's it, all clean and organised until the next few months when I get back in there. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like and comment below if you'd like to see any particular cleaning videos from me. Thanks again for watching. Bye.